Today, we're sharing with you the number one way to drive your business sales and generate serious income. Whether you're a startup business or been in the game for a while and need a tip to maximize your sales, know that we got the juice and we're going to give it to you. Okay, for the sake of time and because we know that you don't like to wait, we're giving it to you right now. The number one way to drive your business sales is to give it away free from the beginning. That's right. Give your products and services free up front. Get those non-upfront paying customers hooked. Here's an analogy for you on why this strategy works. It's a no-holds-barred example, so we hope we don't offend you. We just want to help you understand why this concept works. And before we share this concept, here's our disclaimer. We do not condone or promote the sale, distribution, and use of illegal paraphernalia. Understood? Okay, now here goes. When a drug dealer wants to get a potential client hooked, they always give them their first hit free. If the client is satisfied, the dealer now has a returning paying customer that will most likely bring more paying customers, their buddies, with them. If the product is just right, hence the seller killing two birds with one stone, increasing their revenue just like that. Because this strategy works in the streets, it definitely works in legitimate business. Now pause. Before we move forward with more information, we're giving you our disclaimer one more time. The sale, distribution, and use of drugs is bad and it's illegal. It destroys people's lives, families, communities, and can bring them to a fatal end. So don't ever do it. We don't condone it, period. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, think about it. Wineries let you sample their wines before selling you the bottle. Online streaming services like Spotify, Amazon, Netflix, and Apple Music offer you their 30-day free trial first before purchasing a subscription. It's the good old business sales and marketing hook, line, and sinker. These companies know that you're going to like their products and services because the smart companies have already tested out their products and services with their focus groups first. The freebie they gave you up front will undeniably be a return on their investment when you purchase the plan. The key is your products and services must be repeatably desirable beyond the freebie you're giving out. If not, you're just a fly-by-night kind of business. In adapting the give it away free first business strategy, always get something back immediately in return from your customer, like an honest Google or Yelp review, or even a tip or small donation to your business. Thank you for watching today's video. Please stay tuned for more future business secrets and tips for success, and check out our growing channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss a video, where we live, learn, and create.